Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to clear YouTube cache on iPhone or iPad. If you're using iPhone or any iPad and you want to clear your YouTube cache, so let's see how can you do that. So there's a simple way. You have to simply open your settings app, go for general, go for iPhone storage, look for YouTube app here, tap on it, and here you have to tap on offload app, then tap on offload app again. After offloading, you just have to wait for until the apps offload, then tap on this reinstall app option. So basically, it will reinstall your app without deleting app data. It will just delete or clear your app cache from your iPhone or iPad. So in this way, you can easily clear your YouTube app cache from your iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.